Hi, welcome to the CodeQuest channel. Now we are going to learn about the JQuery events. And firstly, now we used to know what is an event. Here it is the example. Moving the mouse over an element. It is action. Selecting radio button. It is an action. Clicking on an element. It is an action. The action which is performing in the system is known as events. And there are the different types of events like mouse events, keyboard events, form events, and document events. Here I clearly mention what are the events and which event comes under the which section. We have click, double click, mouse enter, mouse leave in the mouse events. In keyboard, key press, key up, key down in the keyboard events. In form, submit, change, focus, blur in the form events. And document, load, unload, resize, scroll in the document events. Now let us see the syntax. And this is the syntax. Now, what is document.ready function? Whenever you written in the jQuery, we used to find this function at anywhere. Without this, the jQuery function will never run. What is this? What is meant by the ready function? The ready function is nothing but the function which is used to make run the function. Okay. Without this, if we write any code in jQuery, it will not run. In this session, we used to learn how to hide the content, how to show the content, and what is the toggle. Now, let us quickly get into the Visual Studio Code. And as I said, without this ready function, we cannot able to do anything. Now, you will see. Now, I have written some code here with a heading and two paragraphs and with a button and with a toggle function without writing the dot ready function. Now, you will see what happened. I'm running the code. It is not at all working here, as you can see. Now I will write document.ready function. This open should be closed here, and within the document.ready function only we used to write the any event or any other function which is related to our program. Okay, now I'm saving this and I am running this code. As it is already open, output here. It is hidden and it is shown again only because of this ready function. If it is not there, it will not work. Now we will see how to hide the content. Now we have seen how to hide and show with the same button, and now we will see how to hide the content. Okay, for that, firstly we need to remove this, and we'll write a new code, and everything is fine here, and we need to hide the p tag. Okay, when we used to hide, when we hit on the button. So first we'll write button. For button, when should the button work? When it is click. Okay, what is it? Function. Okay, this is how we will write. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Now what I will do is, this is what I have written is the button click function. Okay, now what should be done? Okay, for that, dollar p tag dot hide function. Okay, I have saved it, and click me to hide. Okay, the button is changed. I think it is in open only. Let us refresh here. It is not working. Now let us see what happened here. Now you can see when I click on this, it will hide and it will not show again, because we have written only the hide code. Okay, now when the show will work, okay, we'll write id show. Okay, and this is id equal to hide, and this function is to hide, and we will write this is show paragraph. This is hide paragraph. Now I have written the show and hide two buttons. I have written. Now we will write the show. How to show when we hit on the button? How to show? Okay, how should we display it? For that, we have to write the function hashtag in double braces hashtag show dot click parenthesis function curly braces and open brace. In this we have to write which things should be shown. Okay, we have hidden the p tag and we will show again the p tag only as our requirement. Dot show we'll save this, we run this. Okay, click me to hide, it is hidden. Click me to show, it is shown. Okay, now in this session we learn about toggle tag, hide, show and hide. Okay, thank you.